31 action planned. I'm taking mine there, Nathan's is going to be there, and Jordan's new one's going to be there as well.
Oh yeah.
God, I love rattle guns.
They make life worth living.
They really do.
Shame there's an awesome shed right there and we're still doing it in the dirt.
I like it.
Gotta love
It'd be fine if I
gotta love the dirt.
if this was done or I didn't open the shed doors.
Yeah.
We'd be fine. But
Might as well do a bit of a fucking thing of your new car too, because no one's seen it yet.
yeah, well, it looks a bit trash.
Well,
The bonnet's getting painted black. Still has a million and one fucking issues.
There's the interesting part.
Yeah, it's still not running right. I've spent probably 800 on fixing it things and it's still not fucking running alright. But there's a box of brand new coilovers ready to go in. Emotions from Angry Industries.
It'll be a tight unit when it's...
Yeah, I got an igniter and a CAS to try to see if that'll help me out. I'm also going to regap my plugs from 0.8 down to 0.6 to see if it's just blowing my spark out. And then I've also got dual caliper hydro setup. I got the GK Tech Willwood hydro mount and the GK Tech handle over there. I got a full exhaust gasket kit for when I buy Jaden's old turbo, which is like brand new Pinuara, a TD05. Yeah, some parts.
Bags and bags of bushes.
Yeah, so today I'll probably gap the plugs, try the igniter, try the CAS, see what happens, and yeah, go from there with it. I think Nathan's doing some shit there.
When are you going dual rear sway bar?
I'd like to. I have everything.
Did you have a sway bar and everything?
Yeah.
That's cool.
Let's look at that thing.
Oh, you took the big bolt off, eh, Nate? Yeah, okay. That.
Just the one that holds that little hanger on it. I couldn't get that off.
Yeah, that's just the
All fucked apart from, I mean, he looks pretty good.
Front one's not too bad, but I mean the rear one's not too bad, but yeah, this one's
Take this one off from the outside.
So it's dark now. Just had to get one of Jordan's cashies out of his shed so we can actually fit this thing in. Yeah, now it's my turn. These are the trailing arms out of mine. These are flogged as fuck as well.
These just fell out without much effort at all.
A light tap and they're out. Yeah. And this is what we're putting in. So we'll see how we go with that. It's like 7 o'clock and we've just shot down to Jordan's work to use a proper press, plus all the different bits and shit for it. It's gonna be a late one, I think. That was a long ass process just for that.
Yeah.
So probably not going to get around to much more, but we'll at least get these done and in, and then we'll go grab some tea, I guess.
Yeah, get some fucking food.
Good.
It's about 8 o'clock, just going down to the pub down the road to get some food. Called it a day. Brendan's car's back together. Does it feel any different?
Kind of hard to say from literally that, but it's hopefully it'll be a little bit.
Those bushes were absolutely shagged, so now it's got some brand new Super Pros in there. They should hold up a lot better and hopefully less wheel hop in the drifts and stuff, but we'll do the uppers as well and then everything back there should be tight. So yeah, cheers for watching. Have a good one.